Shawty really bad. Words every frame, something like a bad. Well, I want your love, call me when you can. Girl, going up, going down, in and out, turn around. Shawty really bad. Words every frame, something like a bad. Well, I want your love.
Alright, it's your boy Snagger, man. Back in the video on YouTube, man. You know, Ugly Boy Gang, you know what I'm saying? That's how my intro gonna start. Ugly Boy Gang, you know what I'm saying? Because ugly niggas is winning right now. Simple as that. But yeah, we about to go get these nines, UNCs with my cousin Kenya, so she'll probably be in the vlog if she wanna be in the vlog, you know what I'm saying? So we about to go get them shoes, you know, we gotta stay fresh at her. No bum shit, you know what I'm saying? Positive shit 2019, you know what I'm saying? No drama shit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Show love to everybody, you know what I'm saying? So love y'all my fans, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't got fans yet, but y'all my supporters. I love y'all to death. But you better go get them shoes right now. So, yup. You know, I don't know what else to say. So, see y'all guys later. I'll see y'all there. Got here, so I guess Kenya won't meet the freeze to death for some shoes, but I wanted them too. So, yep, that's really it. So, story about to, you know, get out extra shit. So, yep.
So, I know we've had our issues, but I also know you're not like me, it's crazy. I was thinking, wow, you know, like I chose you and your friends many times. Many times you and your friends chose each other for me. Let's just say that Lily and I have similar views on all things. You know, she abandoned her entire family once. She didn't abandon her family, she really abandoned her relatives. Yeah. One. Her eyes, mouth, and more sound than you ever was. Why would you bury her family crypt? He's a man.
Yeah, we in the mall right now, so I'll record when we about to going and finish on, okay? You know what I'm saying? Something like, alright? So, yeah, I'll see y'all guys in there. Peace.
I'm not in there. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I got you. Did you have it works?
317 937 9387.
So it's 225.77.
You already know we got him. You already know we got him, you know what I'm saying? But you know we better go unbox it and reveal it to y'all young boys, you know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Love you guys. You know about the unboxing, you know, the Air Jordan 9 UNCs, man, and show y'all a little review. First of all, I'm gonna show y'all the shoe cleaning stuff that I got for the shoe, okay? So You already know we got the, you know, the crepe cure, whatever how you want to say. You know, we got the brush solution and the dab rag. That's what I call it. You know, you always have to have this always on you, bro. You never know. You get a little mud on, you know, scrub it real quick. Simple as that. You only need to use warm or hot water, whatever you want to use. You can't use cold water for some reason. I don't know why. And you already know we got the little quick wipes. Same thing. It's the same thing as this, but you know, you can just put this in your pocket, book bag, whatever, you know, carry your stuff in. Quick little dirt, scuff, whatever you want to do, you can scrub it off, boom, simple as that. It's only like $3, so that's a dinner steal. So, yeah. So now we're going to get to the shoes right now, you know what I'm saying? We're going to get to the shoes. All right, so, you know, something like I had to get some heat for y'all young boys. The 9s, bro. This is going to be my first pair of 9s, bro. First pair of 9s. Something light, bro. You know what I'm saying? First, now we're gonna do a review on them, okay? Duh, you already know. They navy blue. Something light, they're navy blue. You know what I'm saying? You got the Jordan symbol right there, you know. Something light. We got the laces. So you basically just like stick your foot in there, really. That's really it. Then, you know, the Air Jordan symbol, you already know, right? You already know. Nothing else, man. We got the 23 on the back. Air Jordan symbol. Our symbol right there. Then yeah, navy blue. You know, this is paint, so this can easily start peeling and stuff. So you barely gonna wear these a lot. Then you know, Air Jordan symbol, blue. You know, got a little fixture effects and intense and everything. It's a good shoe. You can really match anything with this. Sometimes you can, but that's really it for y'all young boys. You know, nice little review, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, and we'll have some more heat for y'all young boys on the channel. So, yep, just leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that bell, and hit the notifications. You know what I'm saying? I'm uploading bangers all 2019. So what's that? I love y'all guys.